Before going to produce any goods and services, we set up two things. First one is your operation strategy, and the second one is your competitive advantage. In this class, we will discuss the operation strategy. Strategy is a plan that you see in your in order to achieve something. Let's say to achieve a maximum profit or maximum market share, or say you are going to a product or price leadership farm. What is the operation strategy? Operation strategy involves large number of decisions. It associated with various action taken by the business units known as the macro operation. That's considering whole business as a whole, or by individual activities known as micro operation. The main purpose of the strategy is to create the product and services for the meaning of the requirement of the customer. First, we analyze the market, and on the basis of the market analysis we produce the goods and services that meets the requirement of the customer. It also takes the resources while formulating your operation strategy. That's your human resource, technology, system, and raw material. Anything, any resources the company have, taking all the resources, we formulate our operation strategy. What's the main parts of your operation strategy? Is your two we considering two parts. First one is your content, and the second one is your process. In content, we focus on our policies, guidelines, or guiding principle. Or in process, we implement what we have planned in our policy, plan, or guideline. Policies generally are the strict one, which your employee or firm must follows to achieve your future objective. Guidelines are the set of principles that are uh, suggested to your firm or employees. They are not mandatory for them, but it's help to achieve your future objective. In process, we generally checking with our benchmark. It's achieving or not. What will the failure? What's the efficiency? All the things we are considering in our process. It's the day-to-day life decision making process. These are some elements of operation strategy. First one is your position of the production system. This decides where should be your factory. Let's say near to your raw material or near to the market. Where should be your factory to produce your goods and services? And focus on the factory's facility. That's your layout. What should be the technology? Layout is the optimal utilization of your available area or available facility. And production and service design, we develop our product and services according to our market. And technological selection, it's solely depend upon your product and also your budgetary decision. How much fund you have to adopt new technology or existing technology. Allocation of resources, that what we have, all the resources should be allocated to produce your goods and services. And your facility planning, completing deciding your warehouse or any inventory strategy or any supply chain management, all are your in facility planning. This is the process how we going to be formulate our operation strategy. Coming to the first place is your competitive dynamics in the marketplace. In competitive dynamics, we first analyze our market and how much competitor are there. Let's say, and what's the product and services they have, what's their deficiency. It helps to formulate our product and services and gives a competitive advantage to us. After thoroughly analyze our from market, we considering two benchmark. First one is our order qualifier, and the second one is our order qualifier. Order Sorry, first one is your order qualifier, and the second one is your order winner. Order qualifier is the basic benchmark of your product that the customer will consider your product while selecting each and every alternative to satisfy their needs and wants. And order winner is the additional feature of your product that gives you the competitive advantage over your competitors. After setting your computer order winner and order qualifier benchmarks, we set up our generic competitive priorities. That's your quality, cost, delivery system, and flexibility in terms of volumes of production or variety of product. After selecting our generic competitive, we focus on our sustaining competitive advantage that focus both for the future competition and also for the present competition. That's why considering the sustaining award, that sustaining competitive advantage. After that, we produce our corporate strategy. That first would be our corporate strategy to deal with our competitors or manufacturing our goods and services. The operation strategy, also the corporate strategy, considering our firm's level of strength and weakness, that your SWOT analysis. While formulating our operation strategy, we considering also our corporate strategy and measures of operational excellence. Let's say how much efficiency we have, or what's the advanced technology we have. All the factor we considering while formulating our operational strategy, and overallly the operational strategy leads the strategy decision for operation systems. These are the whole process how we develop our strategic decision for our operation system and produce our goods and services to gain the market advantage and a good market share to make profit or sustain our farm.